Welcome to learn about the installation of SteyrTek floor tiles. Installing SteyrTek floor tiles is quick and easy. You just need a flat surface, and you can start by placing the tiles in the pattern you want. First, the tiles are piled up and a larger area is assembled from them. At the end of the assembly, the edge and corner pieces are added, ensuring the floor's finished look and safety. SteyrTek floor tiles can be used in many different spaces, such as at a home, business premises, schools, and gyms. Their durability makes them an ideal choice for many applications. SteyrTek offers a wide range of color options, so you can choose the one that best suits the space and interior. One of the advantages of SteyrTek floor tiles is their quick and easy dismantling. If you want to change patterns or move them to another space, you can do it in the blink of an eye. SteyrTek floor tiles are a great choice when you need a quick to install, versatile and durable floor tile.